Hello there, friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Thank you for stopping by today. Today I am going to be sharing the latest December 2021 Not Too Shabby Box of the Month and Stamp of the Month for December 2021. The box of the month is Sweet Wishes and it's birthday themed. And let's get busy showing what we have. Sorry about the glare. I will hold things up so that hopefully the glare doesn't get you. A nice lollipop, some sequins, business card, fun stuff. I love these Trinity Stamps Cake Smash Confetti. How fun is that? I know that Jamie from Not Too Shabby issued a challenge to make a shaker card this month with this kit, so I cannot wait to do that. The first paper's An Elegant Birthday. There's 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design. Lots of fun colors. Pink is my favorite color, so I'm excited to use some of those pinks. And it's fun to have these papers that look like glitter, but they don't have that texture, so they're easier to work with. Next up is Birthdays and Presents. Cute little teddy bears and butterflies, some cupcakes, lots of fun designs there. Then there's the ephemera. This matches that An Elegant Birthday set paper. Lots of fun ones. Definitely birthday themed, some tassels, cake, just lots and lots of fun. And that ephemera there, sorry, it's getting stuck there. And then this one matches the birthdays and presents, and it has some cute bears, banners, balloons, cute. The 2 stamp sets. There's this one that is Sweet Birthday, lots of yummy treats, and nice sentiments, nice sizes, and can't wait to color those up. Next up is the Birthday Bear. Look at him holding his balloons. These have some really nice sentiments. Happy birthday to you, a different happy birthday. You lift me up if you didn't want to use it for birthday. Lots and lots of fun. And then a stencil from my best friend, Call Me Crafty Al. So excited. Drifting confetti. This will be so fun and very versatile. I feel like you don't have to use it for celebration cards. Bet you can use it for lots of fun different designs. So that is all that was in the Sweet Wishes Box of the Month, December 2021. Fun stuff there. And then I also get the Stamp of the Month. I was getting the Stamp and Die of the Month, which is a great value because their dies are awesome. They cut out the sentiments too. But since I got my scan and cut, I switched to just getting the Stamp of the Month. And this month is adorable. I cannot wait to color these up. The design team has some amazing creations already with this. I will link some of them in the description box below that I really liked. This is the Better Together. To my bestie, we go together like salt and pepper, cookies and milk, sodas and hot dogs, milk and cereal, so many things that you could do. Super duper cute. These would be cute for like lunchbox notes or just little itty bitty Valentines. So many possibilities. And then since I get both of them at the same time, I did get a free die. It says Autumn Blessings. I like the size of it. Sometimes the word dies are so big, but this is like the perfect size. So there is all of my Not Too Shabby goodies that I received. Oh, I forgot this rolled off. In the box of the month this month, you get this Rabbit Hole Designs blending brush. So it will be perfect for getting in and doing some blending, ink blending and stuff on that stencil. Sorry, it rolled out of the picture there. But yes, that comes in the box of the month too. So I will have everything linked below. Definitely want to go ahead and sign up because these boxes do sell out quickly. If you want to make sure that you get it, make sure that you click the drop-down menu and have it due monthly. And if you purchase the box of the month and the stamp die of the month, you get a discount, a little discount, which is nice. I'm all about discounts. And while you're at the Not Too Shabby shop, I would take a look around. They have digital stamps, carry lots of other products by companies that you know and love. I know when I ordered the last little mini collection that was just released, I will link that below if it's still available because it was way too cute. It was like cocoa, hot cocoa. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll link it below. There was some new cute stamps that just jumped into my cart too, so make sure you look around. Again, everything will be in the description box below. Thanks for stopping by. I hope to be back soon with some creations using these. Have an amazing day. If you like my channel, I hope you subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Go do something for yourself. Get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. See you soon.